how to change Discord server picture on mobile 2022. Firstly, when you open up a server selection which you want to take over and change that picture on it, you need simply to go on the three dots right here, then go on the third selection which is on your upper side, settings. Then you need to go on the first selection on your settings side, which is overview, and right here if you tap on that button selection, you can simply change that picture on it. From here you can choose from wherever you want to take over that photo. I will go from my photos, and right from here you're gonna be available to look up on, for example, from this photo, and then simply just go upload. And if you take that refresh on and get that accessibility, you're gonna get back, you're gonna take that refresh, and then it will be changed that selection.